Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the East to West Entrada 3100FB. So this is the East to West Entrada 3100FB. East to West is one of the newer manufacturers of RVs, and they just entered the motorhome space, but it is still a division of Forest River. Right up front here we have a nice fiberglass front bra. This does sit on the E450 chassis, which means it has a 7.3 liter V8 Godzilla engine, and it does have the Dynapro tires on them. I love that. Coming on down the side here, we have a very nice power awning with LED lights. And because this is East to West, they do use Azdel. Come on in. Azdel is a grain-based material that will never delaminate on you. As you turn around this way first, you'll be able to see that this unit does have bunk beds, but we are starting up here. E450 cockpit area, this is where you're doing all your driving. Bunk over the cab, I believe it holds 500 pounds. I'm not confirming that yet, but I'm pretty confident that's what it is. Right over here is your sofa. Big cabinetry above, and the sofa is at a good TV watching position. And then here's your dinette. The dinette does drop down to make a bed, and there is storage underneath the dinette. Over here's the kitchen. Nice corner kitchen, small corner kitchen. You're not going to get a lot of kitchen when it's a bunk motorhome, okay? But right here you do have a huge refrigerator, and you're also getting the pantry space right by it. Coming on up here, this is where your bathroom is. It is a radius shower with a porcelain toilet. And then right here is where your bunk beds are. Very nice. Good for the whole family to fit in. And then coming back here is the master bedroom. Queen size bed, storage all above. You got the exit window right there. And then back here you can have a TV in the master bedroom and everything. Well, that's it, y'all. That's a quick little tour of the East to West Entrada. If you guys want to see the full RV review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click the link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you guys and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.